teenager is all about comfort and style, all about the denim. These are the Angerella denim mid-rise ripped distress. These are just really cute, very cute. They check all of her boxes. Very, very nice. And why I do agree to these, they're just brand new teens. They're soft and stretchy. They're not stiff. This is comfortable denim. And they have just the right amount of stretch where they are not feeling suffocated and they're comfy. Functional real pockets on the front and the back. And yes, you could hold a phone, which obviously they love, and the phone won't fall out. Lightweight, breathable, and stylish without being heavy. But if she's a size 4 and these are small, so if your teen is looking for a trendy, comfy denim, a very nice cut, not too short, not too long, we could agree on these. These are really a solid choice. Mom approved and the teens love. Highly recommend.